the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. We've been doing this all this while, and of course we've been getting positive results from most of my subscribers that have been following up with this special edition. And of course we will be having another edition of it tonight, and all you need to do is just to stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will understand how to go about it whenever you are trading. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself right from here. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share my videos with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So guys, quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets, and of course we will be analyzing them one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable, just the way every one of us have been doing. Okay, quickly guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. Okay guys, this is Boom 1000, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trade indicator to do my analysis right here, and I'm on 5-minute time frame. Okay guys, this had been on downtrend before, and it got to this support zone, was unable to go beyond that, so it went back on buy trend till it got to this region, pull back, and of course it will be trying out the support zone, the resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying, but if it does not, then it's going to sell again and try it out another time. Okay, but for now this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Then the next asset is going to be Boom 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is Boom 500, and just the way we have seen it. Okay, this was on downtrend before, went to downtrend till it got to this region, but it pulled back. Okay, and once it is done with this pullback, it will be trying it out again to see if it will be able to break out. It will be selling to see if it will be able to break out below this particular support zone. If it does not, then it will go back on buy trend again, but for now this is still buying. Might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction into a sell trend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is Crash 1000. This had been on uptrend for a very long time, got to this region, pull back, and of course it got to this same support zone, and it's buying again. Okay, to be trying out that resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on sell trend. So here is another resistance zone. Okay, it needs to break out above this. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely it will keep on buying, but if it does not, then it will likely go back and try out this particular support zone. That is very, very important, but this is still buying at the moment. Okay, it's still buying at the moment. Then the next asset is going to be Crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Crash 500. Okay guys, this is Crash 500. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this region, pull back, and of course went down below that, and of course right here it has gotten to another support zone around there, and it was unable to break out below it, so it's pulling back at the moment, even though it will be trying it out again once it is done with the pullback. Okay, this pullback might not be for a very long time before it will continue to crash down again, so we should still experience a sell trade, a sell opportunity right from there. So the next asset is going to be Volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is Volatility 75. It's been on downtrend right from here, broke out from this particular support zone, this particular one. It broke out from there around there, and of course got to the support zone, pull back, and it will be trying out that support zone again. If it breaks out below it, then it will continue to sell. If it does not, then it will go back into a buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below that support zone. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, do your own personal practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.